We got this Mercedes creeping up on me while I was recording the other video. Check out this classic, guys. Really clean, nice car. 450SL, 80s model. Really nice. I've always loved Mercedes. I'm gonna give me one of these. You know, if I can get every car I want, I probably won't have space for anything else. I'll give you guys a walk around on it. So nice. Such a classic. So we got this 450SEL. Let you guys see what it sounds like before. We're gonna customize it, put an X pipe and maybe muffler delete. This is what it sounds like before, guys. Can't even hear it. Look, I'm gonna even get the mic closer as possible. Here's sound decibels. Right at 85. Again. All right, guys, stay tuned. I told you guys this thing is mint. Look at this thing. One crack in the dash, that's it. Wow. It is 11 of 79, so it's a 1980 Mercedes. Look at that. All the gauges, all original, had 170,000 miles on it. That's when they, man, this thing, he says, drives like a couch. Like you're sitting in a couch. Wow. So nice. Sunroof on top. It's a nice car. All right, guys, stay tuned. So on this 1980 that I just showed you guys, this is what it looks like under here. It goes 1 3/4 out on each side. And then there's usually a cat here. Somebody else cut it off. We probably clogged up over the years, so they just cut it off. And then it wides out to duals. Dual in resonator, dual out, and then dual out the back, dual in, dual out muffler. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it right here and run 2 1/4 or 2 1/2 pipe all the way back and install a new muffler on it, a Borla Pro XS. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it out. All right, guys. So we just put the whole 2 1/2 all the way back, as you guys can see. From there back, we didn't touch any of that. See, it's all 2 1/2 out the back. And there's the Borla muffler. So we're gonna tell him, we told him we're gonna test it, make sure he likes that sound. So here we go. Here's with the Borla muffler. Go ahead. You got it? Yeah. Yeah, it's all particles and stuff. What do you think? Loud enough or no? So that's with the Borla. Again. Here's sound decibels again. Right at 91. Just for fun, this is straight pipe. Go ahead. Yes! No? Man. Do it! What do you guys think on that in the YouTube world? Should he have straight piped it or put the Borla on it? Let us know in the comments. Again? Borla? Borla. Yeah, he wants straight pipe.
I want it straight.
See?
My wife did not ride with you.
Ah, she don't need to ride with you. She has her own car, right? Right. Okay, there you go. All right, Borla it is. And by the way, I found out this car is a gray market car. So the original ones come with circle lights. The European ones come with the square lights. So just a little bit of more information for you guys. And Mercedes, you need to go back to this emblem like this over the hood. I like that more if you're watching. All right, guys, so 1980 Mercedes-Benz 460SEL, I think, or 450. I don't remember, too many numbers. Anyways, got square lights. So it's a gray market car out of Europe, which is awesome for back in the day. They used to import them. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done on it. So we showed you up here, it's all stock, all the way to the O2 sensor. Then somebody else cut the cat off. We didn't touch it. And then what we did is we ran 2 1/2 inch pipe all the way back. We took the resonator out that goes right here. We took the muffler out that goes over here and replaced it with a sexy Borla Pro XS. Part number 40357. There will be a link in the description for it, guys. Make sure you hit that link because it hooks us up too and helps us out and gets you guys the right part. And then it's got the resonated dual tip out the back right there. We'll try to get you guys a link for it also. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And then you guys wanted to see the stock. This is the stock system that was on it. We cut it right there. It was dualed out the back from Mercedes to make it extra quiet. So we took all that off and made it single, let it breathe a little bit more. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, hit that subscribe. Needs a tune-up. The hose trick. Get it, open it up a little bit more. Let it heat up real good. Like rev it, and then put the hose in it and with water. It'll break it down a little bit more. It's an old trick we used to do, guys, back in the day. On glass pack mufflers, you put a hose in it when you get it really hot, it breaks down the glass pack, makes it louder. I think it fits the car though. This sound fits the car nicely. There's nothing overbearing, you know? Again. Here's sound decibels. Right at 89. Again. Go to 4,000 RPM. Let's see if it gets any louder. And back it up. You can still carry a conversation. Yeah. It's a cruiser anyways, man.
This isn't a car you want to be screaming.
No.
Yeah.
If it was a coupe or something, yeah. But and I love the BBS wheels, guys. The basket weaves, we call them back in the day. Just a clean car. It's long. It's 18 feet long too, guys. If you didn't know, now you know. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Beautiful Mercedes, guys. She's a beast. Quiet. I wish it was a little bit louder. Enjoy, guys.